All right, guys. So currently, there's an update for the Xiaomi Mi 8. And right now, as you can see, you have the ability to turn off the cutout at the top up here in full screen mode. So I've got mine turned off, but there's an update here, and I'm told that this update will take away that ability. So I'm going to see if it says anything in here about that. That's just the system, camera and everything, settings, screen brightness, read wake, other full screen gestures are more responsive now. So I've seen some people say that in the comments of my videos that, it removes that option. So we're going to see. So I turned it on first before the update just to be sure. Other than that, I was going to give you an update on this phone, but turns out I decided to just wait until this came on, and it came. So here it is. The beautiful beast here. But this is downloading. It shouldn't take too long. I don't think it's that big of a file size. But this is going to take it up to 10.1.1.0. So it's a stable ROM here. So most of the ones that they release are stable. They don't release ROMs that are not stable. I'm not in any kind of beta for anything like this. So we shall see how this works. I'm going to let this go through, and then I'll come back when the phone reboots, and we'll see how long it actually takes. Well, I'll tell you how long it takes after, because I'm not going to let you watch all of this. I know you don't want to watch the phone reboot and cycle through and do the update. So it's decrypting. This is pretty fast. But let's see if it takes, because right now, as you can see, like I said, I have it hidden. Let's see what happens.
Let's reboot. We'll be back.
All right, so that was probably about 5 minutes or so. And that's definitely what it takes. So my cutout is gone at the top, looks like. So let's go back into settings, and let's go to home or full screen, I mean. And these son of a guns took it away, man. Oh my gosh, they took it away. Why would they do that? Unless they put it in a different spot. Oh man, this is going to suck. Not that, you know what I'm saying, I just needed to use it, but oh boy, that's a crazy one. Let's see if they put it in a different spot. Notification. Home screen layout. I'm really hoping that they didn't do something like that and they just moved it. But I'm going to check through the gestures and buttons and everything and see if I could find it in here. But it looks like they actually took it away. Why they did that, I don't know, man. That's crazy right there, son. That's just no excuse. Oh my gosh, man. They actually took it away. That is crazy. I don't know why they would do something like that. But there it is, folks. So you guys are right. I truly don't know why they would take that away. But I'm searching through here just to see if it's somewhere else. And it doesn't look like it, man. It looks like it's gone. Wow. That's a bummer, man. That makes no sense. I'm sure they have their own reasoning for doing it, but that is crazy. I've never seen a company take away that option or take away something that's actually pretty useful. I'm still searching here. I'm just trying to find it before I actually shut up out of here. It looks like they did, folks. Looks like they took it away. I don't know of any other place I could look for it to be able to turn it on. It's not under display. Nothing. Nope. Not in the. I'm just going through these just to see if they hid it away somewhere. This is crazy. Home screens. Wow. Yeah, because I turned it on beforehand. It's gone, folks. It's gone. So, well, so much for that. Let's head back over to the real. Well, there it is, man. They took it away. Why isn't it switching my launcher? There we go. They took it away. They took away the ability to hide the cutout at the top. Why? I don't know. But there it is. It's your man, Jay Will. Hope you enjoyed. Don't update to 10.1.1.0 if you want to still be able to use that part up there. be able to shut it off. Anyway, the phone is fast. I mean, nothing wrong with a blazing fast phone. You know what I mean? Yeah, phone is still good. That last software update took it away though. Stuck with the cutout at the top. It's your man Jay. I'm out. All right, now the best part of this video is that I didn't even notice that I got moved up to Android Pie. What the heck, man? How could I have not missed? Man, it moved me up to Android Pie. Boom, there it is. So it's Android Pie now, man. This is crazy. The Mi 8 just got Android Pie. What the heck is going on? So this is 10.1.0, and it is now on Android Pie. This is crazy right now. So everything is getting an update. So there's the stable ROM, and got updates. What's new? It tells you what's new. It didn't mention anything about Android Pie. That's the crazy part. It didn't mention anything about it. Yeah, it moved the security patch to security patch 11, but it didn't say anything about Android Pie. That is the most strange thing ever. I mean, Android version is 9. This is Android Pie. This phone used to be on Oreo. Wow. That is the craziest thing ever. I've never updated a phone and didn't realize that it got an update to the new version. I mean, because this all looks the same. So if I hold down the power button, I should see the new. Nope, it all looks the same, man. That is the strangest thing ever. The strangest thing ever. Anyway, there it is, man. The phone is on Android Pie, and we're going to roll with it. Wow, I just can't believe it. I ain't even noticed. I was going through the system settings, and I was like, wait a minute, man. My buttons look different on the bottom. Yeah, so they took it away, I guess, the cutout to be able to adjust the cutout at the top, I guess, because of Android Pie. I'm not sure, but here it is, man. Android Pie. What's not to love? It's crazy. It's crazy, man. So my phone got Pie, and I didn't even notice it. All right, man. I'm out.